Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the gestures on your Motorola phone. So swipe down from the top right and go to settings. And there's a couple different areas where we might find these. So we have gestures just right here. And we can go to the different types of navigations and we can just turn it off under here. So we got like navigation mode, 3-button navigation. So sometimes this can get annoying, navigate with simple gestures or 3-button navigation. Otherwise, we can scroll on down, swipe to split, 3-finger screenshot. I actually might use that later on, so it looks like this is turned it on. And then we can go on down, we got fast flashlight. So you can turn your gestures on or off right here. And another one that you might want to turn on or off is going to be located back under the main menu, home and lock screen. Go to lock screen. And then going down to the bottom, gestures and haptics. Jump to lock screen, put display to sleep, or wake to wake display. Tap in the display, moving the display will turn on your display. Then jump to lock screen, double tap to lock screen while in sleep mode or when screen is off. Double tap to put screen to sleep while on lock screen or home. So just look at all these different options for gestures. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.